So who from your friends and family was the first to suggest baby names when they got to know that you guys were pregnant?
Honestly, I'm telling you this, that after the whole name controversy of Taimur, both Saif and me have not even thought about it. We're like going to leave it last minute and then like again spring a surprise.
We should be doing a poll right now, which should be the highest ranking name, and then take it from there. And if you and Saif haven't decided,
Oh God, I don't even want to go down that road. I'm going to tackle this like right at the end. Hello and welcome to Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want. मैं हूँ करीना कपूर खान और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट मदरहुड. ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो मेरे दिल के काफ़ी करीब है, इसलिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ मेरे आज की गेस्ट से बात करने की. शी इज़ एन एक्टर, अ पॉडकास्टर, अ टॉक शो होस्ट and a wonderful mother to an adorable 2-year-old girl. Please welcome Neha Dhupia. Hello Neha.
Hi! I'm so excited. You've just caught me off guard.
Yeah, you know how I am.
I know,
no?
and as soon as you have said hi, I'm sitting at home and my dear husband has walked in. I told him when I'm in conversation with Bebo, please do not come inside this frame, but...
Do not come. But listen, this conversation is going to be it's about your little one.
Yeah.
It's not about you and Angad.
Yeah, it's not. I have to tell you, Bebo, you look amazing. You are glowing as always.
Thank you. But first things first, Neha, एक 2-year-old baby के साथ तुम्हारा lockdown experience कैसे रहा?
You know, वो 14 महीने की थी या 15 महीने की थी जब हम लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था, and ever since then, just every day they're learning so many things. They're so curious, and I'm so happy that I'm the one who's spending so much time teaching her, just seeing her grow.
All right, Neha, now it's time for some quick questions. मैं तुम्हें कुछ life के aspects दूंगी और तुम्हें मुझे बताना है कि ये baby के बाद कितना change हुआ between you and Angad.
Oh, okay.
And who is still doing this?
Okay, I hope it's not too personal.
Listen, I've been on no filter. Weekends को late तक सोना.
What is that? वो क्या होता है? Is that 6:30 a.m. or is that 6:45 a.m.?
Yeah.
Or is that 7 a.m.? If it's 7 a.m., then I definitely sleep very late. On Sundays, I wake up at 7 a.m. But weekdays को late तक सोना, Angad. Even 10 a.m.
In the mood for intimacy.
I think bit of both, but again, Angad.
लंबे showers लेना.
Angad.
Yeah, everything is just Angad. You have no life, Neha. शांति से खाना खाना. Angad.
Yeah, see. I feel like you know our house as well as I do.
खुल के गाली निकालना.
Me. As soon as my daughter goes in, there are times when I'm just like beep 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 beep, like 9 things, and I'm just abusing a wall because there are 30 things going wrong, and that's me. I just do it.
बिना interruption के film देखना.
Oh, Angad, for sure. Angad, after becoming a father, he has वो कोई भी फिल्म, अब मैं वो फिल्मों का नाम नहीं ले सकती क्योंकि मैं आगे बोलने वाली हूँ. फिल्म में इतनी बुरी फिल्में होती हैं. I'm shocked कि वो फिल्में देखता भी कैसे. And he will see it once and he'll see it the second time कि इतनी बुरी पिक्चर कैसे बनी. So he likes to dissect bad films.
Oh God. So this next one I'm sure is not you, but anyway I'm going to ask you. 8 घंटे की नींद.
Oh, me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I time my sleep with my daughter. And Angad will keep watching TV, and every night he'll be like, आज मैं जल्दी सो जाऊंगा, आज मैं 9:30 बजे, आज मैं 10:30 बजे. Suddenly, till 1 o'clock at night, he's watching TV. And then he'll have to get up in the morning. Yeah. He's always short on sleep.
But Neha, मुझे बताओ, as a new mom, तुम्हें motherhood के बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है और सबसे कम?
Time with my child, or the concept of these hugs, and then they know how to hug, and then they don't know how to leave. When your child, they don't know how to release the hug. That feeling of just I never want this hug to finish. That's my most favorite thing about motherhood, just that touch of the smell of the skin of your baby.
I know, lovely.
And जो सबसे कम पसंद है कि I think focus. I can't focus on my brain capacity. I'm working on 40% because I think 60% of my mind is just always meher. And then even if I'm doing something as small as an Instagram post, now it has so many typos, there's so many other things, because suddenly while doing the post, it'll be like, Mama, and then I look away and I'm just I have no focus. But the one thing that I never was, or मैं अब हो गई हूँ, is punctual.
Yeah, it's time. It's called time management. You know, Neha, जब मैं एक mom बनी, I wanted to make sure कि मैं हर चीज़ सही तरीके से करूँ. तो मेरे friends और family को advice तो करते हैं. But then I also turned to an online community that, you know, gives verified and reliable medical advice. तुम कितना cross check करती हो when it comes to your daughter's health?
You know, I have to say there's nothing wrong with turning to online portals when it comes to, you know, helping other moms, when it comes to motherhood, when you have questions. And I mean, I encourage women to do so. Or agar communities ki baat kare, you know, there are a few, I do refer to them. I'm an explorer online. So the more you explore about motherhood, it's like Instagram and Twitter and everybody just suddenly gets to know you become a mom. So the only things that pop up on your feed. And it's nice for me. I just feel like कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब एक और माँ you know, like she puts up pictures where she's having a really tough time, because I'm like, I'm not alone in this, you know. I get very disturbed when I see moms with like perfect hair day and perfect hair, perfect makeup, and I'm just like, why am I not this person? This can't be real.
Yeah, no, but I think we have to manage that, and I think, you know, like you're managing it. It just happens. Also, parenting goof-ups हम सब करते हैं. You know, like I mean, I do it all the time. तुम्हारा और अंगद का कुछ, like, have there ever been any goof-ups, and like tell us about that?
Yeah, I mean, many times. एक बार हम कहीं जा रहे थे and उसका पूरा खाने का बैग हम कहीं पे छोड़ गए. And the big thing is when you're like breastfeeding and you're sitting with a pump and you're expressing all that milk, and suddenly Angad was like, in the night, he's just like, oh, okay, AC ka remote ki tarah, and fart. Like, it's so hard, firstly, to make sure that you pump that much milk out, and he just went flying, and I saw like, almost like, literally, no point crying over spilt milk. I was crying over spilt milk. Like,
yeah.
You can't imagine. So yeah, I mean, I was just like, oh my God, it's like 6 ounces just flew away. तो वो एक बार नहीं हुआ, वो कई बार हुआ.
Oh my God.
But little things like when she was very, very young, we had our nurse who was upstairs और वो उनका ध्यान रख रही थी. And उसके बाद Angad was like, let's take her for a first car drive. और वो I think 3 महीने की थी. She just about balanced her neck. So I said, ठीक है, मैं लेकर आती हूँ. We both sat in the car, and मैं उसके थोड़ी देर बाद, I can't remember the exact time, but हम दोनों बैठ गए and we left. So we left the building and we both forgot that हमारी बेटी ऊपर नर्स के साथ अभी भी है, because we are not used to having our child with us. So we just left home for a drive. और हम सीलिंग तक पहुंचे and we were like,
the purpose of the drive was what?
yeah, like we just left Meher at home. So that was a big boo-boo.
Oh God. But Neha, as new moms, कभी-कभी हमें feel होता है कि we have to just be focused on our kids, and even though we want it all, we feel, you know, like we can't have it. So now in our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera want it all moment, I want you to tell me about a time where you were able to actually achieve, like, do everything and achieve it all.
When,
like everything.
Like now, because we're so close to traveling, और हम जब travel करते हैं तो एक, you know this, people, that jab, and all mums across the board know this, till the last minute you're packing and you're like, अब क्या डालना है, अब suitcase में क्या डालना है, अब नहीं हुई packing, अब हमारी packing नहीं हुई, kind of thing. So I think that, you know, when I'm packed, I send the suitcase down and it's lying in the car 2 days before we have to leave. So that's when I feel like I'm a super mom. I've achieved it all. तो हम कल जा रहे हैं और उसका suitcase 2 दिन पहले. So now all I need to do is wake up in the morning and just get up and leave the house
and leave
with my child.
Yeah, I think that's a fab idea, because even I do that. I'm always like, नहीं, I'm तो in fact like 3-4 दिन पहले ही कर.
Yeah, तो वही, you know, you achieved it all. पर कई बार ऐसे होता है कि कई दिन होते हैं जब आपके बच्चे को पूरी नींद मिल जाती है and वो play date भी time पे हो जाती है, and then your child decides to count 1 to 10 also perfectly, and you're like, yes, I've got the mom of the year, mom of the day award, at least. Not the year, but
award, yeah, mom of the day.
Yeah.
और अगला सवाल हमारे listeners से है, वो जानना चाहते हैं कि आपकी बेटी को कितने साल का होना पड़ेगा to A, start wearing makeup, and B, to start dating.
A, I hate to break this piece of information, but my daughter is obsessed with nail paint. तो वो हाथों पे नहीं लगाती, but she thinks that that's her tool to color. So if nail paint counts as makeup right now, तो वो already, like, you know, she thinks it's a paintbrush और वो हर जगह लेके वो nail paint से पूरी जगह coloring करती है. So she's on it. B, start dating. I think I'll leave that to Angad to decide. I don't know. I mean,
To decide? Oh my god.
even with the dating part, I'm just glad that Angad's not in the house right now. Again, he's left. नहीं तो वो आ जाता frame में. किसने बोला मैं बाहर जाएगी लड़कों के साथ?
Yeah, God, fathers and daughters, that's a different
Yeah.
relationship
Yeah.
altogether. तो नेहा एक चीज़ है जिसके बारे में मुझे लगता है कि सारी मॉम्स टेंशन्स लेती हैं और वो है अ गुड पीडियाट्रिशियन. बहुत मॉम्स अब ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट करने लगे हैं क्योंकि सवाल इतने होते हैं कि एक बार डॉक्टर के पास जाना इज़ नॉट फीजिबल. व्हाट हैज़ बिन योर एक्सपीरियंस विद एनी लाइक ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशंस?
Online consultation, especially now, has become a very big thing. So whether it is for pregnant moms, whether it's for moms just going through things like postpartum soon after giving birth, because it's such an insulated place post giving birth that you go through so much कि बहुत लोग online consultation भी करते हैं. They reach out to other moms, other communities. So I know that exists. मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं की, but it's a good thing that people are doing that and not stepping out too much.
और जाने से पहले नेहा मैं तुम्हें एक चांस दूंगी to ask me a question.
Babology empowered by Bumble.
So who from your friends and family was the first to suggest baby names when they got to know that you guys were pregnant?
Honestly, I'm telling you this, that after the whole name controversy of Taimur, both Saif and me have not even thought about it. We're like going to leave it last minute and then like again spring a surprise.
We should be doing a poll right now, which should be the highest ranking name, and then take it from there. And if you and Saif haven't decided.
Oh God. I don't even want to go down that road. I'm going to tackle this like right at the end. Well, yeah. That's that. But thank you, Neha, for coming on the show. I love you very much. And thank you for coming on Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want.
I'll see you very soon.
Thank you, Neha.
Bye. My love to everyone at home.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.